How to fix the processor isn't supported for this version of Windows 11. So the processor isn't supported for this version of Windows 11. Error means your CPU does not meet Microsoft's official requirements for Windows 11. So to fix it, you can either upgrade your hardware or use workarounds to bypass the restrictions, though bypassing may reduce stability and security. So first is to check compatibility. So press on when or on your keyboard and then type msinfo32 and then check your processor model. So in here, go ahead and check your processor model, compare it against Microsoft's. Now, after that, enable TPM and secure boot. Enter BIOS or UEFI, usually by pressing the F2 or F10 at startup, and enable TPM 2.0, sometimes called PTT or FTPM. Enable secure boot and save, restart, then retry installation. Now, another thing you can do is to update your BIOS. So visit your motherboard's manufacturer website, install the latest BIOS updates, which may add support for newer security features. And that is how you can basically fix processor isn't supported for this version of Windows 11.